Right, this is the Washington Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium.
Yes.
Mamelodi Sundowns North. Oh, Tezomnat. Mamelodi Sundowns North. Stellenbosch 1. Tezomnat, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Yes, the performance was great.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just that Stellenbosch was in a massive,
It was tough, yeah.
aggressive.
Mm, mm.
You know what I can tell, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Man, I play soccer.
Mhm.
My oppositions,
Yeah.
when they claim aggressions, we have to defend.
Yeah. But you couldn't defend.
No, we couldn't.
Yeah.
We defended first half and then to defend. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
we didn't know what happened.
Yeah.
It took me back to my entire whereby I used to play Ian McLeod style.
Mm, mm, mm.
Mm,
Ian McLeod was the referee.
yeah, he, by that time he was a referee.
Yeah.
By Ian McLeod. But actually,
Yeah.
Sunday played, Telly's
Yeah.
played, and then we need them by the second, and then this thing, I need to put it simple and easy.
Yeah. Straightforward.
This is a battle between downs
And
down
and
Bucks.
Yeah.
and down.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Bucks, no, Bucks and down. No, the Chiefs, they mustn't. This is a battle. I wanted to put an emblem,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
this is a battle between Bucks and
No, no,
Thunder.
it was a battle between Stelis and Sundown. Not Bucks. Bucks were in Cape Town.
You know
Tonight,
what?
Stelis has beaten you. So you can just
You know why?
you wanna
You
come
know
back
why
maybe
I'm saying?
no, I don't
You know why I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because I foresee that we go to the final.
Oh, you're going to the final.
Yes,
But you didn't
go.
score. You didn't score at home.
No.
Yeah.
I know my guys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I know my guys. We're going to score 2 or 3 or, and then we're going
Defense.
through, and then we go through.
Yeah.
Because let me tell you what is happening here.
Yeah.
The battle is between Sundown
And Bucks.
and Bucks.
Thank you very much. All the best.
That's my judgment.
Each other.
This is the battle.
Yeah.
$1. Bucks down. That's it.
Each other.